Never before design of multiply installation product has been so easy and comfortable. Thanks to the integration of all modules in one application, there is no necessity to use and switch between different programs or import and export data, because all types of installations can be designed in one product file. You just need to indicate the scopes for the designing and calculations. Once imported and processed underlay and built-in architecture can be further used to calculate heat load and to create a complex product containing all required installations. The flat stations model presents one of the best examples of benefits of such an integration. Flat station provides heating medium to prepare hot water and supplies heating medium to domestic heating installations. Both heating installation and tap water installation created in InstalSystem 5 can be connected to flat station. Thanks to this, calculations of required flows and pipes diameters in supply network are more reliable and precise. Flexible control of types of designed installations and their visibility on 2D and 3D view allows to predict and avoid collisions between installations designed in InstalSystem 5. Moreover, with the use of IFC input modules, you can import and display other installations, for example, sprinkles and ventilation. When printing or exporting a project, you have the ability of comprehensive control the scope of installations presented in printout or result file.